In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome font. This is a helpful adjustment if the text in your browser feels hard to read, too small, or simply not your style. Chrome lets you choose different fonts for standard text, serif, sans serif, and fixed width text, so you can make pages more comfortable to view without changing each website one by one. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see a three-dot menu icon. Click that three-dot menu to open a list of options. This menu is where Chrome keeps many of its controls, including settings that affect how the browser looks and behaves. From the menu, select Settings, and then go to Appearance. When you open Settings, Chrome may load the Settings page in a new tab. In the left area of the Settings page, you can look for Appearance, or you may see it as a section you can click into, depending on your version of Chrome. Open the Appearance section, because that is where Chrome groups visual options like themes, page zoom, and font-related controls. In the Appearance area, find and click Customize Fonts. This will open the font customization screen, where you can change how Chrome displays text across most websites. Here you can pick the font style you prefer from the drop-down menus. If you want a clean, modern look, you might choose a different sans serif font. If you read long articles often, you may prefer a serif font for body text. There is also a fixed-width font option, which is especially useful for code blocks or technical pages. Take a moment to review the preview as you make changes, since it helps you confirm readability. Your selections save automatically, so once you choose the fonts you want, you can close the Settings tab and keep browsing. If a website has its own custom fonts, it may still display them, but your Chrome defaults will apply in many common cases and in built-in pages. And that is all there is to it.